I'm at Tsugawa Nursery today in Woodland, Washington with Brian Tsugawa. And Brian, you know, you cannot talk too much about fall color.
It's
so
right here.
beautiful.
Yep, it's one of the best times for introducing the fall colors, all the interest, the temperature changes. But yeah, it's a fun time, really.
And this one, I think that people don't really know about. So what is it?
This is Itea. There's a couple varieties, Henry's, Garnet, but mostly it's going to be a nice, it definitely let you know well, it's already starting. You know, you got
beautiful.
Your kind of the Garnet, reddish orange tones. Really a nice plant. You can have the white flower panicles, I guess you'd want to call them. Hummingbird plant too. So,
nice.
Yeah.
And full sun?
It is a full sun to part. It'll take the part.
And about 3 to 5?
It is, exactly. I think 4 to 6, the other ones are 3 to 4. Many varieties too. So I'm sure you can get one to fit in that medium tall deciduous shrub. Yep.
And I think we love crepe myrtles for their bloom, but look at the fall color on them.
They do have a lot to offer. You know, when you're doing design, it's always nice to maybe consider some seasonal interest. And one thing I do like about the crepe myrtles, exfoliating bark, you know, the peeling bark, that nice coppery look. But yeah, flowers, fall coloration, and then the winter would be the exfoliating bark. So that has a lot to offer there on crepe myrtle. Many sizes, many varieties to choose from.
You do, and you still have a really nice selection.
There is lots out there still.
And I see that you have shade maples, which look at the color on these, they're gorgeous.
They do. They just seem to be pretty consistent with their colors. You know, they just never go wrong with you. So you can have the orange reds, the reds, and many, many different types of red maples.
Yeah, you have like Autumn Glory, Pacific Sunset, there's many different ones, but then if you don't want the big upright, you have Japanese maples.
There's a lot of Japanese maples to go in between there, so I'm sure, and again, Japanese maples always change in the seasons, to let you know when the seasons are there, but yes, fall is here, that's right.
And I love those even, I think more so when the foliage all drops, because the texture of those branches are so pretty.
Yeah, you do. You see their branch structure. Some have, you know, interesting bark color, you know, so that has a lot to interest. But yeah, Japanese maples as well has a lot to offer.
And then right next to you, I don't think I've seen this many Nandinas together. That's a lovely selection.
We do like the Nandinas here, but what's nice about them, I think, is as soon as that temperature changes around the winter, the colder, a lot of them will turn that nice, actually just almost like you do see, this is Moyer's red there, but they will turn pretty much a nice dark red colors on some. Some are more of that orange red tones, but it doesn't really get known for its attributes, and I think winter coloration is nice.
And nice spring flowers, white flowers.
Yes, they do, kind of fragrant, I believe. But it is evergreen, and they come from a 1.5 to maybe 4 to 6 foot on your taller ones there. Yeah. So everything in between, a little bit of different foliage textures. Some are fine, some are whiter. But this one alone, you know, they're drought tolerant when you get them established. Pretty easy to grow, no bugs, no diseases.
Right.
Yeah.
Full sun?
Full sun, yeah.
Wow, you know, I think that this is really a workhorse for any garden, really a great plant for that.
I think so, yeah.
And at Tsugawa Nursery, you got to come out. They're really ready for fall. They'll give you all kinds of advice. There's people to talk to here, and it's just such a nice, lovely place to just walk around and enjoy all the fall color. So if you have any other questions, please go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to the Tsugawa website, and you can get the directions to get here. Brian, thanks so much. Happy fall.
Thank you, Judy.